Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So on this 09 Honda CR-V, they give you a neat little option here with the hood prop rod. So the hood opens to this size. It's a pretty good level. You can see everything. But if you had to work back here or in the radiator area, Honda gives you this pretty cool little trick here. So you're going to take the hood prop rod out of the actual arrow area where it tells you. And if you notice, there's another spot here, but it's at a different angle. So I could put this in there, but that's not safe. It's not going to stay in there. And besides, if I'm working on the radiator, this is part of the radiator support, so it has to come out. So they conveniently, you raise the hood up as far as you can, and then you're going to wiggle this rod around and follow the angle of it. See? Then pull it right out. And then over here on the motor mount in front of the timing belt area, you'll see a hole right here that's an option. And then this is going to snap right in there at the proper angle. And now it's not going to move, and you have safe access to department over here. You can get in the back clearer and take your radiator out if you need to. So to put it back to the factory set position, it's just reverse the procedure. It's a little, pull it out of there, and then slide it right in the hole. And if you liked this video and you want to see other videos to see anything about your vehicle you own, check us out at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.